I have a lot of clothes, but still every day I face one confusion. What should I wear? Sometimes the combination feels wrong, sometimes the outfit doesn't match the occasion, and honestly, it wastes a lot of time. So I started thinking about this problem, and after doing some research, I found something really interesting that completely changed how I pick my outfits. And while exploring this, I came across something called a closet, and it actually surprised me. It basically helps you organize your clothes and create outfit combination from your own clothing collection. So let me show you how this actually works. First, you just upload photos of your clothes like your shirts, pants, shoes, and even accessories. And the best part is it automatically removes the background and organizes everything neatly. There is also a beautify option that improves your clothing image so everything looks clean and well organized. Now this feature is paid, but there is a smarter way to do it. You can simply upload your clothing image to ChatGPT or any image tool and get them cleaned and properly aligned for free. You don't even have to organize anything manually. It automatically understands what is a shirt, what is a pant, even the colors, and arranged everything for you. Then you can start creating your own outfits by combining different clothes digitally, or even plan them in advance using the calendar. So your morning become quick and stress free. And over time, it also shows your style status, like what you wear the most and your overall dressing pattern. This video is not sponsored at all. I'm sharing this information because it is practical and useful in daily life. Now here comes the best part. It builds complete outfit combination from your own clothing collection. So you don't have to figure it out. It already done for you. And if you want to get deeper, you can ask styling questions, discover what color suits you best, and even understand what type of fitting looks good on you. It also suggests items you can add to your closest to improve your overall style. Plus, you can rate your outfits so your fashion sense keeps improving over time. And there's even a feature that lets you visualize outfits virtually so you can see how they might look on you before wearing them. So basically all your clothes become well organized and choosing outfits become super easy. No more confusion, no more waste time. So if you also struggle with daily outfit confusion, start using AI in your daily life and follow for more such practical things that can actually improve your lifestyle.